radar shows that 6 o'clock this is done. This is an hour before, 1 hour down. Oh, it's a lot of rain. I always have the good luck of running into thunderstorms and rainstorms and riding. So if something's coming down like this, you gotta get off. I park the bike on the side. Let the rain come down. Usually it lasts you about an hour. That's a heavy downpour with a lot of strong breeze. One thing can happen. Slow down. I just checked the radar. So almost 5 o'clock. I think that's 6. It's coming down right now. 4:55, passing. Right around 5:25. So in about 25 minutes, this should just stop. And that's how you do it. You plan your trip, check it out, you save. Oh, by the way, bike got a great wash too, right? So let it dry. Enjoy the weather. When it dries, don't fall sick. Keep riding. Nothing is like bike's all wet. There's still water coming down. We're waiting for it to dry up. Yeah, the sky's getting up there. So you can't even see it with this kind of visibility. Oh, it's coming out again. Got nice black clouds right there. Oh, not done yet. So I got caught under the thunderstorm, and the fastest way I could come out, one of the slightest shade possible, I pulled in, went under the shade, and the bike still got poured in. We're gonna dry up, it's really hot. Sun's already coming out, so in about 20 minutes I'll be good to rock and roll. Just check the radar. So that'll be 20 minutes. In about 20 minutes, this is all clear. This is passes Chicago all the way towards east. We should be good. I'm already seeing the sun coming out. About 20 minutes. Even the day we took out the 200 West Adams, it was wet. Great.
If you like watching Riding with Kash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.
Oh,